Hello and welcome to my garden. I want to share with you my beautiful honeysuckle sensation by proven winners. It's got beautiful yellow blooms from about mid-spring to late summer. Mine is in its second year, so this is the second year that I've had it. I'm so excited about it. It's so beautiful. It is a fragrant vine, and it's a beautiful accent to be grown on a trellis, an obelisk, or an accent fence or wall. It's adaptable to most soil types. In the fall, it has beautiful red berries that the birds like. It likes full sun, and it grows 8 to 10 feet long, and it's hardy in zones 4 through 9. It's one of those plants that just makes you happy every time you look at it. Thanks for joining me.